a bitter man who spoke of women's ways. The trap you